This tutorial will show you how to use Mergent Online Database to find information about your company. From the library homepage, click the Databases tab, and under Find Database by Subject, choose Business and Finance. When the list of business and finance databases appears, scroll down and find Mergent Online. Click on the Mergent Online title, and then enter your Medai1 username and password. Mergent Database provides tabs along the top from which to choose the type of search that you would like to perform. Basic search and advanced search allow you to search for company names specifically and all of the information that goes with it. In the main box on the basic search page, type in the name of your company in the company search box. You'll notice a drop-down will appear from which you can choose a company, or you can simply type in the company name and click Go. When the full record for your company opens, the first page will be the company details page. At the top will be the main information about your company, including when it was incorporated, its location, its industry, and some basic economic information. A graph showing pricing, and a list of some of the key executives and key financial information. At the bottom, there will be a news box with links to relevant news items about the company. Reading news about your company is a good way to get an idea of where the company is headed and the management style of some of the key executives. We are currently looking at the synopsis page under the company details tab, but there are many other pages on this tab where you can find relevant information about your company. The highlights page includes some important at-a-glance financials. History goes more in depth about the development of the company. Business gives you more details about industry codes and description. Property tells you about what the company owns as far as buildings and properties, whether it owns or rents. Subsidiaries gives a breakdown of the company structure. There are also pages for long-term debt, capital stock, earnings estimates, and business segments. Any of the pages that we are currently viewing can be downloaded to Excel files at any time or can be printed directly. The next tab is Executives, which details not only the executives who have worked at the company, but also the business performance under those particular executives. The Ownership tab provides information about share distribution and recent trading. Company financials are based on reported income from the company itself. You can choose to view information by year or by quarter, and you can choose how many years you want to view at a time. The Equity Pricing tab allows you to see stock prices over time for your company. The Reports tab provides you with a variety of reports you can choose from and either export or download. You can choose annual reports from the company, industry reports, equity reports, or Mergent reports, which are reports created by Mergent, or which allow you to create your own reports. On the Mergent Reports page, you can select from a variety of predefined reports and have the reports created in a variety of formats. You can create a Word document, an Excel spreadsheet, an HTML file, or a PDF file. Clicking on one of the icons at the bottom of the page will open a new window with the report in the format that you requested. If you choose PDF format, it will download a PDF which you can open. The Filings tab allows you to view, download, and print various filings for your company. You can choose to view US or Canadian filings. Once you have picked a filing that you would like to view, you can click on the yellow icon to the right of the drop-down menu. This will add it to a list of filings that you can batch, print, or save. Managing your filings in this way will allow you to save time overall. The News tab allows you to view news items about your company by date range. In the Competitors tab, you can see the names of companies which compete against your company and a breakdown of their vital statistics. The Report Builder tab allows you to create a report to either print or download from any of the company information that Mergent provides. Select the items you wish to add to the report, select a format, and click on Create Company Record. A new window will open for the report. From here, you can print, or you can choose to view the results online. For more help and information on finding company information, check out the other tutorials in this guide.